Hello everybody, this is Fahima Haque with you and I would like to welcome you all back to my channel. Today's video is on the topic that has been a part of my pamper routine for a couple of months now. By now, of course, by the topic of the video, you already know what is it. It's dermaplaning, and in easy word, dermaplaning is a skin treatment that uses an exfoliating blade or a facial razor to scrape off the dead skin cells or unwanted hair from your face. Did you just get scared? Well, trust me, you shouldn't be. I have been doing it for a couple of months now, and trust me, I have zero regrets doing that. Before I started dermaplaning, I used to wax my head. Before I started dermaplaning, I used to wax my face to get rid of those unwanted facial hair or the peach fuzz, and trust me, waxing really irritates your skin and causes more acne or pimples. Sometimes you get burns around your face, which pretty much shows how harsh it can be for your skin. Moreover, your face definitely don't want to be pulled drastically. It requires more gentle and nice care and not that. So now, moving on to the reason why you should choose dermaplaning. First of all, it does not irritate your skin. Secondly, it's easy and less time consuming. I mean, who has so much of time, right? It smoothens the makeup application and it makes it more easier to apply your makeup, and your makeup looks really less cakey. And last but not the least, it's a painless process. Of course, no pain, no gain, but this time it's no pain, yes, gain. One thing that you must keep in your mind that it should not be performed while you have an active pimple or acne on your skin, because trust me, it's gonna irritate your pimple or acne and boom, you get some more acne. And now comes the most commonly asked question: will my hair grow thicker? And the answer is no, your hair will not grow thicker. Honestly, I had the same fear, but after my experience, I have actually understood that it does not really make your hair grow thicker. But in case if it grows thicker, then please don't blame Fahima, because it's better if you consult a dermatologist or do some hormonal test, because it might be a reason for that. Now let us move on to the dermaplaning process, but before that, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you can be the first person to know before anybody else. Let's go! In the procedure, I'm gonna be using lip oil, and this is optional for your lips hydration, and then I'm gonna use Swab moisturizing cream and Himalaya purifying neem face wash, and this alcohol swab pad that is actually, I'm so sorry, I'm so clumsy. And most importantly, this facial razor that I've got from Miniso. By the way, yes, I love the Snapchat filter. I usually start by washing my face with a gentle face wash. Here I'll be using my current favorite face wash, which is Himalaya Herbals. It is a very gentle product for any skin type. Taking a small dab of the face wash, I'm gonna massage it religiously on my face. I choose to clean it thoroughly and then rinse my face using cold water. Cold water will help in tightening the skin, which will make it easier for further process. You can also rub your face with an ice cube after rinsing with normal temperature water. Then I will pat dry my face using a clean facial towel. Make sure not to rub your face excessively with the towel, as it might irritate your skin beforehand. Go easy and pat dry slowly. Next, I'm going to use an alcohol swab pad. This is a really handy one, but you can also use the one that comes in bottles and containers. And take some amount on a cotton pad. Now I will rub it all over my face. The reason for this tip is because you definitely don't want to shave your face with the presence of all those bad bacteria, right? After I have applied, I'm going to let my skin breathe for a couple of seconds. Moving on to the main step, which is of course shaving. I'm going to use this facial razor from Miniso, which is basically called an eyebrow razor. It comes in 2 pieces and I love how handy it is. I can safely keep it in my purse and use it anywhere instantly whenever I miss any spot. Moving on, keep the tool in one hand and use the other hand to hold and keep the skin tight. When the skin is tight, the blade moves smoothly without causing any injuries. In the shaving process, you must always hold the razor in a 45-degree angle. Slowly shave your face in downward motion back and forth using short strokes. Do not rush the process as it might cause injuries. Go slow and smooth. As you can see, the dead skin cells and the facial hair are coming off really easy with very less effort. Now follow the process all over your face, even on the contoured areas like your nose or your cheekbones. Damn, did you see how easily did that come off? If you have an active pimple, do not, I repeat, do not run the razor over it. You can gently shave around it. After you're done, dust off all the hair from your face and move on for the most relaxing step. Now I will be using my current favorite moisturizer. I will be using Sebamed Moisturizing Cream with pH 5.5. This moisturizer is very effective for such procedures, and honestly, I have seen most of the dermatologists prescribing this moisturizer. I will take a dab of it and gently apply it all over my face. I also like to give myself a quick and gentle massage so that it increases the flow of blood on my skin and makes my skin look even smoother and softer. There you are done with a glowy, smooth and soft skin. But make sure you do not apply any makeup or any other sort of product for the next 24 hours. And use a pretty lip balm to have pretty beautiful lips as well. So that is it, my loves. Now you know how dermaplaning can be really quick, easy and safe for you. If you want more of such videos, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be updated about the new videos that I upload. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comments below about your thoughts and opinions on dermaplaning, or if you ever had a bad experience with that. And in the end, love yourself and take care of yourself. Bye bye.